Hi everyone, my name is Looni Chongloi and I'm from Langwell Housing Complex and I'm 23 years of age and I love singing, dancing and listening to music. And currently I'm working in BPO, Business Process Outsourcing Call Center in New Delhi. My ambition is to become a fashion designer. And besides, I work as an actress and a role of a transgender in a Tata Cookie feature film under the banner of Ibria Film Company, which is certified by Manipur Film Forum.
ลิงปีนิง
你下個運氣等我，跟住那啥的。
And moreover, I would like to give a message to all my fellow transgender that let's all be in unity so that we can fight against the discrimination which we face in our society. And lastly, gender is not a matter of sex, but we are all equal under the eye of the law. Thank you and have a pleasant evening.